The little penguin painted an iron needle to look like a giant fish. He shook it on a board, then pushed a barrel with a stick. In an instant, the iron fish shot into the clouds like a cannon. The penguin blew into its sharp mouth, and a huge fish suddenly fell from the sky. Excited, he rushed over and swallowed it. The bird, after many failures, grew angry. He noticed a big fish mine nearby. His eyes lit up. He placed the little goose's fish onto the mine and pulled a fishing line to pretend he was fishing. He quickly covered it with paint to make it look like a shiny golden spearfish. This caught the bird's attention. The penguin pressed a switch, and the mine swam into the sea like a real golden fish. The big fish in the sea became excited and chased it, thinking it was food. The goose smiled, watching the trap. The fish prepared to bite, but suddenly it showed great strength. It broke through the fishing net and attacked.